भाय नमः कमलमालिने नमः कमलपादाय नमस्ते कमलेक्षण यो ब्रह्माणं विदधाति पूर्वं यो वै वेदांश्च प्रहिणोति तस्मै तद्भं हदेवमात्मबुद्धिप्रकाशं मुमुक्षुर्वै शरणमहं प्रपद्ये। बोले वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की। भागवत सुमिरन। रिद्धि सिद्धि दाता सिद्धि सदन बारन बदना सुमिरो बारंबार मदन कदन के लाल गणपति कृपा निधान ज्ञान खान आनंद भवन देहु मोहि वरदान वरनो भाषा भागवत जय शिव आनंद कंद भूतनाथ भव भय हरण भक्ति विषय निर्बंध गौर बरन मंगल कर हे ब्रज चंद मुकुंद ब्रजभूषण दूषण हरण काटहु भव भय चरण शरण आन कर हे ब्रज चंद मुकुंद ब्रजभूषण दूषण हरण काटहु भव भय चरण शरण आन। जय 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 जगदीश सेवत शेष महेश अज महिमा अमित अभेद वेद भेद जानत देह मोहि वरदान राधा वर यह वर सदा प्रेम भरी मुस्कान नित चित लेखत आट रहे मोहि चाहिए कछुना और वस्तु प्रभु बसी रहे मन माही यह बाकी झांकी सदा लिए रखतिया गायन के पीछे ग्वाल बाल लिए सा मोर मुकुट शिर पर कर मुरली उर्मा कर मुरली उर्मा शीश मुकुट शिर पर कर मुरली उर्मा शीश मुकुट कटी पीठ पट या छबिसो नंदला बसहु हृदय मन गुरुपद धर्षि कहु भागवत की कथा जो शुकदेव मुनीश सो परीक्षित अति भये। निगम कल्पतरो गलितं फलम् शुकमुखादमृतत् द्रवसंयुतम् पिबत भागवतं रसमालयम् मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुका। बोले वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय, बोले राधा रानी की जय, बोले भक्ति महादेवी की जय, बोले श्रीमद सद्गुरु महाराज की जय। प्रिय भक्त समुदाय, प्रिय सज्जनों, आदरणीय पंडितगण, दिव्यात्माओं, महानुभाव, dear respected पंडित्स, पंडित चेत्रा महाराज, पंडित सत्यानंद महाराज, most dearest devotees of the Supreme Lord, the Divine Souls. First let me say Radhe Radhe to each and everyone, and my pranam, my humblest prostrations to all of you. Tonight, we're in the second night of this 10th anniversary celebration of Shama Sham Dham. Last night we observed the wonderful celebration of Janmashtami. Tonight I've chosen another katha, Bal Leela, abhi chalne lage. Childhood spot of Shri Krishna. He's just about to walk. काले पाल्ये न राजर्षे रामः कृष्णाश्च गोकुले आघर्ष ज्ञान भे मध्विर पदभे चिक्री न जानुसा ततस्तु भगवान कृष्णो वलय ब्रज का ब्रज बालकैहि सह रामो ब्रजश्रीणां छिक्रे दे जनवन्मुदम् कृष्णस्य गोप्यो रुचिरं वीक्ष कौमार चापलम् श्रीन्वत्सः खिल तन्मानुरिति होचु समागता। बोले बाल गोपाल की। भगवान श्री कृष्ण और बलराम, बलदेव भगवान दोनों बहुत छोटे थे इस समय, अब घुटने में चल रहे। Bhagavan Shri Krishna and his brother Baldev, Balram, very small. They're still creeping, going on all four, on the knees, on the ground, and giving so much happiness to everyone in Vrindavan who is able to have this divine darshan. They've grown up a little bit more. अब और बड़े हो गए और लीलाएं ग्वाल बालों के साथ करने लगे। तो गोपिया माँ यशोदा, मैया यशोदा के पास जाके कन्हैया की शिकायत करने लगे. Now he's grown up a little more. Sri Krishna, Balram, and together with the cowherd boys, his friends, the cowherd boys of Vrindavan, they are performing so many naughty acts. Sri Krishna is extremely naughty. Bare nathakat. Bare nathakat hai tu, Krishna Kanhaiya. Bare nathakat. Extremely naughty. And so the gopis, they have gone to Yashoda Maiya and they are complaining that he is going in their home, he is stealing dahi, milk, charch, buttermilk, eating his belly fill, sharing with his friends, and when they can't eat anymore, he's giving the monkeys, bandaruku, kinale lage. He's feeding the monkeys. Aur jab bandar bhi nahi khate, when the monkeys are filled, he's breaking all the pots. The pots that they keep, the dahi, the yogurt, the fresh butter, makhan, तोड़ने लगे. और किसी के घर में जाके कुछ नहीं मिलते. In some house he go, he doesn't get anything. So they're little babies. He goes and pinch the babies. And they start crying. तो ये सब मैया को बता रहे. और मैया बहुत ध्यान से सुन रही. Maya is listening very carefully. But she's looking at Thakurji. Little Kanhaiya, he's looking in such a sorrowful face that Maya, they all lying. ये सब झूठी है. And Maya, she listens, but then she starts smiling. अब इसके बाद मैया मन में भी कन्हैया के लिए कुछ सोचते हैं. Maya is also thinking that Kanhaiya is so small, इतना छोटा लाला है. तो मन ही मन सोचने गए मैया कि ठाकुर जी कब बड़े हो. Maya is thinking, where will Kanhaiya become big? ये ब्यूटीफुल एक बहुत सुंदर कीर्तन जगत गुरु कृपालु महाप्रभु ने लिखा. Page 25. Maya is thinking in her mind, when will Thakurji get big? Why? Bada hoy kab mor Kanhaiya aur kahe mor so Maiya. When will he get big enough that he'll start calling out to me, Maiya, Maiya? Kab ghutuvan bal chalai Kanhaiya lakhau digan so Maiya. When will I have that pleasure with my eyes to see him creeping on all four, on his knees? Kab kachu mangat dehu Kanhaiya, jhagai mari Maiya. And when he will want something from me and I will not give it, and he'll start fighting and quarreling with me, hitting me. All children do this. Remember, Shri Krishna is Supreme Lord, but he behaves just like any ordinary child when he comes in the world. Bhakti tu Bhagavan Prabhu Ram Dharau Tanu Bhoop. For the sake of those who love him, his true devotees, the Lord descends in the world. He takes a human form. Kiye charit pavan param. Every action he performs is supremely sacred, purifying. But Prakrit Nara Anurup, he behaves just like an ordinary human being, sometimes worse. So he's behaving just like an ordinary child. He will hit Maya, he will fight, just like any little kids when they can't get what they want. Kabatu Turaya Pukar Kanhaiya Ayya Kahi Nij Maya. Maya is thinking. Now when will he speak in baby talk? Turai means baby talk. So babies, they can't say plainly, So when will he say Ayya, Ayya, instead of saying Maiya, he will say Ayya, Ayya, because he's still baby talk. Kaba chalanang dharang kanaya go the hetu dhigamaya. When he will leave without a stitch of clothes, naked, he'll be running everywhere and want to come in my lap. Maya is thinking, little children don't have shame. They do not know what is shame. They run naked, no problem. And then Maya says, you're so big. The mother says, you're so big, you have no shame. Put on some clothes. And now they start learning, no, it's not nice to walk naked. Others, they don't know. They don't have all this thing about shame and all that. Little children. So Kanhaiya, when he'll be naked like this, I want to come in my lap. Kabalo tattab bhu lakho Kanhaiya birujhavani chab maiya. One thing children know, no one has taught them. Stamp their feet and roll on the ground. All the children do this. Stamp their feet and roll on the ground when they don't get what they want. And crocodile tears. When will he do that? That he is rolling on the ground and stamping his feet. Maya is thinking like this, to give that pleasure. She wants the pleasure that all mothers get when the baby is doing this. Kaba kripalu gopal kanhaiya jaya chara gaya chara channa gaya. When will he be big enough? When he'll be like 5 years, 6 years, then he will start taking the cows to pasture, to graze. Maya is thinking all of this while she is like this. Sochati man maiya, maiya maiya maiya. Sochati man maiya, maiya maiya maiya. Sochati man maiya, maiya maiya maiya. Mari sochati man maiya, maiya maiya maiya. Baro hoy kab mor kanhaiya, baro hoy kab mor kanhaiya. Kahe moy so maiya, maiya maiya maiya. Kahe moy so maiya, maiya maiya maiya. Kab guthwan bal chalai kanhaiya, kab guthwan bal chalai kanhaiya. Lakho digan ho maiya, maiya maiya maiya. Lakho digan ho maiya, maiya maiya maiya. कब पग घुटवन पग कब पग पट कट मोर कन्हैया, कब पग पट कट मोर कन्हैया. कहा दे माखन मैया, मैया मैया मैया. कहा दे माखन मैया, मैया मैया मैया. मैया मैया मैया. सोचती मन मैया, मैया मैया मैया. सोचती मन मैया, मैया मैया मैया. अब कछु मांगत हेतु कन्हैया, कब कछु मांगत हेतु कन्हैया. झगरई मारई मैया, मैया मैया मैया. झगरई मारई मैया, मैया मैया मैया. अब तुतुराय पुकार कन्हैया, कब तुतुराय पुकार कन्हैया. हैया कही, हैया कही निज मैया, मैया मैया मैया. हैया कही निज मैया, मैया मैया मैया. कब बल नंग धरंग कन्हैया, कब चरणंग धरंग कन्हैया. तू भीख मैया, मैया मैया मैया,
गोड़ हे तू भीख मैया, मैया मैया मैया,
मैया मैया मैया,
मैया मैया मैया,
मैया मैया मैया,
मैया मैया मैया,
ओ सोचती मन मन मैया, मैया मैया मैया,
सोचती मन मन मैया, मैया मैया मैया,
कब लोटत भूल कन्हैया,
कब लोटत भूल कन्हैया,
ओ फिरू जावनी छवि मैया, मैया मैया मैया,
बिरुझावनी छवि मैया, मैया मैया मैया,
कब कृपालु गोपाल कन्हैया,
कब कृपाल गोपाल कन्हैया,
गोपाल कन्हैया,
गोपाल कन्हैया,
गोपाल कन्हैया,
गोपाल कन्हैया,
कब कृपालु गोपाल कन्हैया,
कब कृपाल गोपाल कन्हैया,
जाय चराचन गैया, मैया मैया मैया,
जाय चुरावन गैया, मैया मैया मैया,
मैया मैया मैया
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 मैया मैया मैया,
ओ सोचती मन मन मैया, मैया मैया मैया,
सोचती मन मन मैया, मैया मैया
बोले
मैया,
बाल गोपाल की जय। हाँ, तो अब गोपिया ने बहुत शिकायत की ठाकुर जी का, लेकिन मैया ने कुछ सुने ही नहीं। The gopis, they have complained so much, and yet Maya is just smiling, laughing. एक दिन बलदेव कुछ गोप के साथ मैया के पास जाकर मैया से कहा कि ठाकुर जी माटी खाने लगे, माटी। One day Balram, the elder, this time he came as elder brother. In the previous, in Treta Yuga, he came as a smaller brother. Ram was Bade Bhaiya, Shri Ram, and he came as Lakshman, smaller. In this dissension, he came before. He was the seventh child of Devaki. They thought that she had a miscarriage. He was transferred from the womb by Yog Maya, from the womb of Devaki to Rohini, who was in Vrindavan at that time, hiding at the home of Nanda Baba. But he was bigger. So Thakurji had to listen. Bare Bhaiya, even though Thakurji is Supreme Brahm, Baldev is none less. He's the same as Krishna. So, Balram, together with some of the cowherds, friends of Sri Krishna, came and complained to Maya that Thakurji has started eating dirt, mati. Maya now, after all this complaint, decided, ab kuch karna. इनकी कुछ पिटाई करना, कुछ दंड देना. Maya thought now, after all this complaint, that some punishment has to be given. He continues like this. A mother, if a child does wrong thing, no matter how much she loves the child, if she's a good mother, she will discipline. Huh? She sent the child with 2 pencils to school and he came with 5. And the mother says, where did you get those pencils? Extra 3 pencils? Oh, I stole some. And mother says, Shabash, very good. No. No. A good mother, the right mother will say, this is what I sent you to school to steal. And direct she will, one time khana, one time food, you're not going to get food, go and stand in the corner, tie the hand and feet. Not beat, but discipline. Maybe one chapper. But today he will steal pencil and she'll let it go like that. In the future he will steal an aeroplane. So she has to do something, discipline. This is wrong. So she's thinking now, she ties Thakurji to a mortar. Kyun mati khaya? Why did you eat dirt? Thakurji is very scared now. That Supreme Lord, I told you last night when we described the Vedas are describing Sri Krishna, one of the questions, Kuto Bhayaha? Who is a supreme power that even death is afraid of? Yamraj. Gopal Tapuni Upanishad, second mantra. And the Vedas give the answer, Govindan Mrityur Vibheti. Gopal Tapuni Upanishad, third mantra. Shri Krishna is so terrifying that Yamraj, the god of death, trembles with fear in front of him. He's so terrifying. And yet, an old lady, when Maiya had Thakurji, Shri Krishna, she was pretty old. An old lady, advanced in age. And a little tin piece of stick she has in the hand. And he's trembling with fear. Kaap rahe. Ab dekho, what kind of leela? He's not acting. If he's acting, then what will there's no sweetness, no bliss. He's actually afraid. You see, when Sri Krishna descended 5,000 years ago, through the power of Yog Maya, first he made everyone forget that he is Bhagavan. All the people in Vrindavan, all the gopis, the cowherds, Yashoda, Maiya, Nanda Baba, they're all the greatest of saints, topmost. The moment they see Bhagwan, they should recognize, Jaki rahe bhavana jaisi, Prabhu murati dekhi tin taisi. How we are on the inside, when we see divine entity, God or a saint, we see the same way as how we are. If we worldly people see God or a saint, and we are so bad on the inside, materialistic, we'll see them the same way. That's why we don't benefit. We have seen God uncountable times. Whenever He descended in the world as Ram, Krishna, etc. Nothing happened. Because we see just like how we are on the inside. But these are saints, topmost, they are divine. So they should recognize Bhagwan. Bhagwan has a special power, Yog Maya. I told you the power that makes the impossible possible last night. Through that power of Yog Maya, he made everyone forget. Not only that, he made himself forget too. Because he wants to enjoy. If he remembers he is Bhagwan and Maya is, who's this old lady threatening to beat me? But he's actually scared because he's forgotten I am Bhagwan. And he's trembling. Tears are rolling down his cheeks, real tears. Not the type, you know, when there's something called Rogan. I think, I don't know the English name, but those people who act in the movies, they put in the eye and their tears flow like an ocean. You think they're really crying. It's something that makes tears come out of the eye. Fake. No, these are real tears. He's actually crying. This is what the devotee wants to see. They don't want to see Thakurji lifting the mountain with a little finger. That's no big thing. He upholds the entire universe, uncountable solar system. What is a little mountain? He is killing some Rakshas. All he has to think, all Rakshas die and all will die. Doesn't have to go and fight battle. So इसमें Sukh Anand nahi, there's no bliss in this for a devotee. When Maya is threatening to beat him, an old lady with a little stick and he's crying and real tears are flowing from the eye. This is the sweetness, the bliss. Ye bhakta ka. A devotee is getting bliss from this. And he's trembling with fear. And he's lying. Maya, main nahi maati khayu. Oh Maya, I didn't eat dirt. He actually ate dirt. There's dirt in the mouth. And he says, I did not eat dirt. Main nahi khaya. It's a very beautiful pad written by Jagat Gurutam Kripalu Mahaprabhu. Describes this Leela in Bhagavad in a very beautiful way. Very beautiful way. I give many of you it, and you can have it on the phone, you can open and see. Mayyari, main nahi maati khayu. Oh Maya, I did not eat dirt. Thakurji says, he's lying. Main nahi maati khayu, Mayyari. 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 Jaki Bhrikuti vilas pralaya soi. Jaki Bhrikuti vilas pralaya soi. O saati lakhi dar payo, Mayyari. Saati lakhi dar payo, Mayyari. O main nahi maati khayo, Mayyari. Main nahi maati khayo, Mayyari. Do kar udar bandhe damodar. Do kar udar bandhe damodar. Dig chhar chhar chharilayo, dig chhar chhar chharilayo, Mayyari. Dig chhar chhar chharilayo, Mayyari. O main nahi maati khayo, Mayyari. Main nahi maati khayo, Mayyari. Jaki Bhrikuti Vilas Pralaya. The Supreme Lord, who by just raising his eyebrow, Bhrikuti, can cause the entire universe, I told you, uncountable solar system. One can count every grain of sand on the earth. Last night I told you from Devi Bhagavad. But no one can count how many solar systems. Solar system, a sun surrounded by planets, infinite. And Shri Krishna just raises the eyebrow, Mahapralaya, all will destroy. And yet he is afraid of an old lady with a little stick. Saati lakhi darapayo. He's scared. Do kar udar bandhe damodar dig jhari 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 laya. Maya has tied him with the belly, damodar. The belly, hand and feet, bandya. And dig jhara jhari jhari layo. Tears are flowing from the eye, real tears are flowing from the eyes. Thakurji, he's shaking. And he said, डबल बोल रहे मैं नहीं माटी खायो मैया
मैं नहीं माटी खायो मैया
ओ मैं नहीं माटी खायो मैया
नहीं माटी खायो मैया
मती मारिय मैया मती मारिय मैया मोहि मैया
मती मारिया मैया मोहि मैया
हो गैया हकवायो मैया
ओ गैया हकवायो मैया
हो नदी नहीं माती खायो हो मैया
नहीं माटी खायो मैया
तू बर जाते लालन गैयन बीच
पर जाती लालन गैयन बीच
ओ भूली कबारू जन जायो ओ मैया
ओ भोली कबहू जनि जायो मैया
ओ मैं नहीं माटी खायो मैया
ओ मैं नहीं माटी खायो मैया
मटी मारी मैया मोही मैया गैया नित्य हकवायो. So now he's saying, he's making up a big story. He's the Lord of the universe. And he's made up his big story, a lie. Because he's so scared, Maya is going to beat him with a stick. So he makes up a story that Maya, look, you have warned me, Maya, not to go and take the cows out. He was very small yet, especially the big cow. बड़े वाले गाय के पास मत जाओ, they can kick you. The big cows. So Maya, you have warned me, don't go. Go by the small cow. You're small yet. Chota. And Baldev is bigger than me. हमारे बड़े भैया है. I have to listen to him, Maya. So he's telling me to go and take the big cows out. Tu bar jati lalan gayan biche bhuli kabahu jani jayo. But I remember, bade bhaiya is bigger and I have to listen. I told you he came as a bigger brother this time. And it is also in Sanatan Dharma. Bade bhaiya, when your big brother talk, you have to listen. He's like a father. So Thakurji is following the same tradition. That Baldev is my big brother and I have to listen. But I am thinking also Maya has told me, don't go by the big cows. Don't go close to them. They can kick you or something. All this can happen. So Maya, I want to follow what you have told me. But I want to follow Bhaiya also. अब क्या करूं? आज न गयो बहोर न गैया मैया मोहि धम खायो. तो मैया Bhaiya threatened me. On the one hand, I want to listen to Bhaiya. He is my brother, big brother. On the other hand, Maiya has told me, I love you, Maiya, so much. Ab dekho, Thakur ji is making up this big story. Oh, Maiya, I love you so much. And you have told me, don't go between by the big cows. I want to do what you want. So, Bade Bhaiya has told me to herd the cow, and if I refuse to do it, the big cows, he's going to complain to Maiya. Tell Maiya that he threatened, I will tell Maiya you ate dirt. अब माटी खाया, अब धमकी दे रहे, जाओ ठाकुर जी, go Kanhaiya, take the big cows, graze them, and you don't listen. Today I'm going to tell Maiya, I'm going to take some of your friends also, our friends, and we're going to tell Maiya you ate dirt. Oh Maiya, he threatened like this. This Thakur ji is making up a story. मैं नहीं माटी खायो मैया री, मैं नहीं माटी खायो मैया री, ओ मैया री, मैया री, मैं नहीं माटी खायो ओ मैया री, नहीं माटी खायो मैया री, आजू न गयो बहुरन मैया, आजू न गयो बहुरन मैया, मैया मोही थमकायो मैया री, मैया मोही थमकायो मैया री, ओ मैं नहीं माटी खायो मैया री, मैं नहीं माटी खायो मैया री, हारे काली खेल महमोते, हारे काली खेल महमोते, हो याहूते खिसियायो मैया री, हो याहूते खिसियायो मैया री, ओ मैया री, मैया री, मैं नहीं माटी खायो मैया री, नहीं माटी खायो मैया री। Not only that, Maiya, kal, yesterday, Hare Kali Khel Mahamute, Yahu Khisiayo. We were playing some game, all boys, children play. Some kind of game, Gulli Danta, something. And Bhaiya lost me. Haar gaye. And he became angry. He is a bigger brother and he lose to me, Maiya, I'm small. So he got angry. Look at the story he's making up. Kanhaiya. Out कछु बस चलो न जब मैया सो झूठी आय लगायो. And so Maiya, he couldn't do anything, he couldn't beat me up. He couldn't do anything because he lost. And so he decided he was going to tell this false story, Maiya. He lied and he came and told you I ate dirt, Maiya. So Maiya, Bhaiya is lying. I did not eat any dirt. मैं नहीं माटी खायो मैया री, मैं नहीं माथी आयो मैया री
नहीं माती आयो मैया री
कछु कछु बस चलियो न जप मैया
कछु बस चलियो न जब
कछु बस चलियो न जब मैया
कछु बस चलियो न जब मैया सो
झूठी आय लगायो मैया री
झूठी आय लगायो मैया री
है नहीं माथी आयो मैया री
मैं नहीं माती आयो मैया री
मैया का मुख खोली दिखावहु
मैया का मुख खोली दिखाओ
तब हरि कछु मुस्कायो ओ मैया री
ओ तब हरि कछु मुस्कायो मैया री
ओ मैया री
मैया री
ओ मैया री
मैया री
ओ मैं नहीं माती आयो मैया री
मैं नहीं माती आयो मैया री
अब Kanhaiya is thinking Maya is not believing. I'm making up all the story, but Maya is still, the stick is still there. Thakurji decided, let me try something else. If somebody has done something wrong and they see the police, they react in a certain way, the police will know that they have done something. They have weed hidden, they are behaving in a suspicious manner. You're walking through the airport, they look at how you're behaving, and they can guess from your action that you have something. But if you're brave, then nobody will think he did something. So Thakurji decided, I'm going to put up this brave front. He says, Maya, look, if I have eaten dirt, there will be dirt in my mouth. Maya said yes, and very bravely he says, Maya, अगर मैंने माटी खाया तो मुख में माटी होना चाहिए. There should be dirt in my mouth. Maya said yes. And he's thinking by putting up he's put up this very brave front, Maya will say he didn't eat it. तो ठाक मैया ने कहा खोलो दिखाओ. Maya said, okay, open them out, let me see. Thakurji is given this challenge that if I have eaten dirt, then there should be dirt in my mouth. And Maya said, okay, आप खोलो, open them out, let me see. आप पकड़ गया. He's been caught because he has eaten dirt and there is dirt in the mouth. अब क्या करूं? मुस्कुराया. Thakurji smiled to himself. अब पकड़ गया, अब पिटाई होगा. Now I'm going to get beaten for sure. Now Thakurji, he's scared to open the mouth because there's dirt. And he's so scared, the mouth opened by itself. अपने आप खुल गया. He didn't open the mouth. But he's so scared that Maya is, and I'm sure going to get beaten today because there's dirt in the mouth and the mouth opened by itself. And when Maya looked in the mouth, what did she see? मैं नहीं मारती आयो मैया रे,
मैं नहीं मारती आयो मैया री,
ओ मैया रे,
मैया री,
मैया कहाँ मुख खोली दिखावहु,
मैया कहाँ मुख खोली दिखावहु,
ओ मैया कहाँ, ओ मैया कहाँ मुख खोली दिखावहु,
मैया कहाँ मुख खोली दिखावहु,
ओ तब हरि कछु मुस्कायो मैया री,
तब हरि कछु मुस्कायो मैया री,
ओ मैया री,
मैया री,
मैं नहीं माटी खायो मैया री,
मैं नहीं मारती खायो मैया री,
अति प्रलय योग माया बल,
अति प्रबल योग माया बल,
ओ रूप विराज आयो मैया री,
ओ रूप विराट दिखायो मैया री,
ओ मैया री,
मैया री,
ओ मैया री,
मैया री,
मैं नहीं माटी खायो मैया री,
मैं नहीं मारती खायो मैया री।
Thakur ji, Kanhaiya, Shri Krishna had told Yog Maya, stay out of Vrindavan. This is a special power of Shri Krishna, Yog Maya. Swarup Shakti. The power that makes the impossible possible. So Thakur ji had told Yog Maya, stay out of Vrindavan, I want to enjoy here. I want to enjoy with my bhaktas, my devotees. But whenever Thakur ji would get into trouble, this Rakshas came, Aghasur, Bakasur, all these big Rakshas came to harm and kill him, Yog Maya came. So now Yog Maya saw Thakurji is going to get beaten for sure. The mouth opened by itself and there's dirt. And she's always there looking out. So she came in the mouth of Kanhaiya. Little, small boy. Yog Maya came in the mouth. And when Maya looked in the mouth of Kanhaiya, Shri Krishna, what did she see? Infinite solar system. A small little mouth. A little baby, little child, little boy, like this boy there. Imagine so small the mouth. And uncountable. Some of you have seen movies, you have seen videos of the stars and close-up view. Planets moving about. She saw all these planets, infinite planets, inside a little mouth of Kanhaiya. This vision, Yog Maya is given to Maya. Maya, Laki Kotin Brahmand Ek Mukh Yashumati Ati Akulai. Seen uncountable solar system. Brahmanda. In the mouth of this little baby of hers, little boy, Maya became very disturbed. Her head started spinning. What is this thing? She became very disturbed. पसीना छूटने लगे. She started perspiring. Sweat is flowing from the body. और बेहोश होकर गिर गई. She fell long unconscious. Now Thakurji is waiting now. When will the stick hit me? In the head, in the back, in the bottom, in the feet. He's waiting when the sticks, and nothing is happening. Very gingerly he opens the eye. What happened? And he sees Maya lying on the ground unconscious. मैं नहीं माटी खायो मैया रे, मैं नहीं
माटी खायो मैया रे,
ओ मैया रे,
मैया रे,
लखी कोटिन ब्रह्मांड एक मुखो,
लखी कोटिन ब्रह्मांड एक मुख,
ओ लखी कोटिन ब्रह्मांड एक मुखो,
लखी कोटिन ब्रह्मांड एक मुख,
ओ यशोमती आती जय श्री मैया री,
ओ यशोमती आती अकुलायो मैया रे,
ओ यशोमती आती अकुलायो मैया री,
यशोमती आती अकुलायो मैया रे,
ओ मैया री,
मैया रे,
ओ मैया री,
मैया रे,
ओ मैं नहीं माती खायो मैया री,
मैं नहीं माटी खायो मैया रे.
So Thakurji very gingerly opened the eye and he sees Maya lying unconscious. अब समझ गया ये चुड़ैल फिर आ गई. This witch has come again. I told her stay out of Vrindavan. Thakurji realized this is Yog Maya came. And she had done this thing and now Maya is lying unconscious. Thakurji doesn't want Yog Maya to think that he is a Bhagavan. Then how is he going to enjoy? How is Maya going to scold him? He wants to enjoy that pastime. Like a child, and Maya should give scolding to him. Threaten to beat him. Now if Maya realizes he's a Bhagavan, she's not going to scold anymore. She's going to put him on a big seat, on a high throne and do aarti the whole day, every day. So now, hey Chudail, Yah. Hey you witch, come here. Yog Maya appeared. Thakurji is governor of Yog Maya. He says, hey Yog Maya, take hai, you did something. But now I want you to fix this now. First make Maya forget. Bhul ja, let her forget everything. I don't want Maya to realize I am Bhagavan. Make her forget everything and make her conscious again. Well, bhul ja. So, Yog Maya of course came. She made Maya forget everything first. And Maya became conscious again. Thakurji is standing there still. Maya is thinking, Satya gaya, I've become very old. What was I thinking? I've become old and I'm thinking foolishness. This is my little baby in front of me. I didn't say anything. There's some foolishness in my head. Maya is thinking, because Yoga Maya has gone the effect on her. And so Maya became very tender towards Thakurji, that he's punished enough, he was crying so much. And she loosens his hand and feet and she gives him a nice hug and starts kissing him. Thakurji is very happy. He got a title because he tied his belly. Damodar, one who's tied with rope to the belly. He got a new title, Damodar. This name of Shri Krishna is in Vedas. From infinite time, this Leela has happened. Damodar, this one name of Shri Krishna, one who is tied by the belly with rope. And so Maya is now, she's unloosened him and kissing him and hugging him, and Thakurji is very happy. मैं नहीं माटी खायो मैयारी, मैं
नहीं माटी खायो मैयारी,
ओ मैयारी,
मैयारी,
ओ मैयारी,
मैयारी,
तब कृपालु भये सौम्य श्यामयी,
तब कृपालु भये सौम्य श्यामयी,
ओ तब कृपालु भये सौम्य श्यामयी,
तब कृपालु भये सौम्य श्यामयी,
ओ दामोदर पद पायो मैयारी,
दामोदर पद पायो मैयारी,
ओ दामोदर पद पायो मैयारी,
दामोदर पद पायो मैयारी,
ओ मैयारी,
मैयारी,
ओ मैयारी,
मैयारी,
ओ मैं नहीं माटी खायो मैयारी,
मैं नहीं माटी खायो मैयारी,
ओ मैयारी,
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 मैं नहीं माटी खायो मैयारी,
नहीं माटी खायो मैयारी,
बोले बाल गोपाल की. And so, beautiful katha in the 10th canto, 8th chapter, Srimad Bhagavad Mahapuran, a beautiful katha, this beautiful Leela, the Supreme Lord of infinite universe, who creates uncountable solar system. So calm just by thinking, and cause the destruction just by the raise of his eyebrow, or by just thinking also. Doesn't have to raise any eyebrow. He's scared of an old lady with a little stick, trembling and shaking, real tears are flowing, and he makes up this fabulous story because he's so scared, a lie, that Maya will not beat him. Of course, eventually he was saved by Yoga Maya. But this is so sweet, the Leelas, the childhood spots of the Supreme Lord of the entire universe, perform such wonderful and sweet Leelas when he descended in the world little more than 5,000 years ago. There's much more we'll hear another time. Bole Bal Gopal.